talking about me. Me taking a picture with Diddy means nothing. I had nothing to do with this guy. I go to snap a picture with Team does not mean that's a link up, man. I have nothing come on with anybody, understand? If he bosses anybody's ass, it does not mean that he did same to me. That was my first time of getting alerted that he is a gay. My first Grammy was known that I opened my body.
There is an agenda to deliberately run down the black community who are making waves. Although black folks may be Jimmy, match them, but ya talk trap nima Obronia set your mind for so long. Young Kai Obi to say your father say Mike Tyson at the height of his weight. Yeah, the rape I say Nipa agree as a may rape you. Say na kwalani so ya didn't go 25 years. Ya menkwan ye no. And now ya ka say ebi mo a my celebrities they are all behind bars and they are suffering because of what we call the white supremacy. Yeah, who say we are black na sabe who raise ya either they will kill you or they will jail you. Hello, hi, Xposed GH, but I need the foreign news. I foreign, more here, my cabrafo. The cabrafo, more funny, sir. Ever my Bruce, but just subscribe, don't you see me? Puff Daddy, that is what I know him because me, I'm an OG. My bastard, I'm back from OG. Because we go to the 80s, 90s, that was when things were things. And then you mama they say Juano. Puff Daddy, not a record producer for almost all the big people. And then once I'm a baby by Homeland Security on my statement say yache Puff Daddy. Now I'm call na sabi okasa or the net dying we be amount to 50 million. I'm say yenje ye do betum. But baby I didn't call you say what there you kum ni papa o. You go to any Homeland Security for the career you better so.
All right, we are getting some breaking news right now. ABC News has just confirmed that Sean Diddy Combs was arrested tonight in New York City. Sources say federal agents with Homeland Security investigations took him into custody. The charges are unclear at this time. Combs' attorney telling CNN that we are disappointed with the decision to pursue what we believe is an unjust prosecution of Mr. Combs by the U.S. Attorney's Office. We, of course, are trying to gather more information. There's a lot more to come out of this story, and as soon as we get it, we'll turn it over to you.
Mimi dear, me say there is an agenda to deliberately run down the black community who are making waves. Although black folks may be Jimmy, match them, but ya talk trap nima Obronia set your mind for so long. Young Kai Obi to say your father say Mike Tyson at the height of his weight, yeah, the rape I say Nipa agree as a may rape you. Say na kwalani so ya didn't go 25 years. Ya menkwan ye no. And now you can say, a bit more of my celebrities, they are all behind bars and they are suffering because of what we call the white supremacy. Yeah, who say we are black, not sabe who raise ya either they will kill you or they will jail you. Now blacks ones here, Jimmy. Because and now mission you may be a sabe a course war P. Diddy. Sana mudi muni Puff Daddy. Yeah, course one if ye our party your friend freaky party. Freaky. Ya call you free who baby or your 1,000. Match them near the baby or your year. Ebi amunim. Match them all. Match your voices be allegedly. Benna boy. Yeah, born no okay say for the Grammy. For the Grammy. Near born papa. You go video nimra.
The P. Diddy case is about to bring down the entire rap and entertainment industry and expose some of the deepest, darkest secrets of celebrities you never saw coming. It's just been confirmed by prosecutors and Fox News that when the police raided Diddy's house, they actually found years of footage regarding Diddy's freak-off parties and sessions, with many celebrities being in these videos and spotted.
And Diddy filmed the freak-offs, so he had the video for blackmail. Diddy's freak-offs have been going on for 15 years. That's a lot of tapes. The feds have their hands on all of them. They raided 2 of his homes earlier this year and walked out with his computers. They also seized freak-offs. Diddy's freak-offs were an open secret for insiders. Everybody knew about them. Nobody tried to stop them. This is a lot bigger than Diddy. You can't get away with 15 years of freak-offs without a little help. Did other music moguls get in on Diddy's action? Diddy's the one taking the hit. But this is just the tip of the iceberg.
And this isn't the first time that we are hearing this, because a few months ago, P. Diddy's bodyguard actually came out to say that it is confirmed that P. Diddy has tapes of him doing inappropriate things with politicians, princes, and celebrities and actors.
I don't think it's only celebrities going to be shook. He had politicians in there. He had princes in there. He also had a couple of preachers in there.
You personally, you think they got tapes?
Well, my personal opinion that if Lil Rob could be trusted and his statements are true, they got him. They got tapes and stuff.
One of the easiest ways that P. Diddy was able to get away with this and do whatever he wanted to so many celebrities was actually by blackmailing them with money, and this was explained by Cat Williams.
Gonna turn down $50 million. Now, I've had to turn down $50 million 4 times. 4 times. Just to protect my integrity and that virgin hole I was telling you about. Right. Because P. Diddy be wanting to party. And you gotta tell him no. You got to tell him no. I did. I did. See, I got the receipts for everything I'm telling you. That's why I can say them so freely.
Of all the charges that Diddy is getting hit with, he is looking up to a life in prison. And the biggest question now is that, is he going to just serve that sentence, or is he going to end up taking a plea and ratting out everybody else that took part in these parties? If Diddy rats out whoever else was at this party, it is going to be over for their entire career, because this is actually a clip in 2002 of Diddy describing how his parties are, and this is absolutely disgusting and disturbing.
Okay. Now, we need alcohols. Right. Alcohols. Right. Not just one alcohol. Alcohols. Right. Just different blends. You need the ladies. You need the booze. You need some water. For watering plants? No. I don't know if guys have noticed this. Like, a lot of ladies drink water at parties. They just, so you have. If you don't have what they need, they're gonna leave. Right. Gotta keep them there. Right. You need locks on the doors. Okay, this is sounding kind of dangerous now. It's a little kinky, but rock with me. But just check it out. You need a lot of heat. A lot of heat. Yeah. Heat. You mean that physically the place has to be hot? You don't have no air conditioning. No air conditioning. No. Why is that? Heat affects the alcohol, and it also affects everybody gets a little bit more comfortable and loose. Builds up a nice little sweat. That just sounds disgusting. We start getting it gets kind of sexy. Is that what you're saying? Yeah,
These are some photos that have just resurfaced back in the 90s of P. Diddy having his parties on a 150-foot giant bed. And as you can see right here, some of the people that took part at this party specifically was Dame Dash, Aaliyah, Jennifer Lopez, Jay-Z. And now, while these people aren't confirmed to be doing what Diddy is getting accused of now, this is not a good look. Right now, it is just a matter of time before these tapes come out to the public and we get confirmations of who was taking part with Diddy, or Diddy just exposes the people that he was doing these things with. So it is a ticking time bomb before a culture shift is about to happen in every single aspect of the entertainment world we've ever seen, and it's actually going to be insane.
What do? Yeah? Come now, that's our quadrants on January record label. Not many cool. Me say, oh, baby, I will do that. Me name says some of them to Nigeria. Minim say omo amti Grammys say wo to na wo de je. Ya say na bought to say na wo camera. Hey! Omo ko 1,000 baby oil the fa be ma no the rob mu a. At say na shock. Esi mu say zim. Na celebrities are your bomb din Jay-Z. Ai, ono de okoma be me de. Ai, me no personal score. Ai, wo friend who Jehovah. Obia edimi o ha, oh boy, you will be disgraced. You be disgraced. So I'm a friend ho. Hey, mami can jamo. The entertainment industry is being controlled by a god called Baphomet. Where the miniagro make us spiritual kaka. Your friend Busumi, your friend Baphomet. Go and Google. He is the what? The god of entertainment. Or you half goat, half man, and then half woman. All these celebrities, that is what they worship. Or you're bisexual. And then the man will say, most of them are following this God because the freaky party names be a man who Asha says you're born to Mickey Mill. No bagana now, Wobejina, yeah, where now what you try video no. One of your born say, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Me say, hey. Mema to ye ball ka oh my god. Mickey Mel on kind no. Obeja jubilee to twitwa video a body quiet video. Some na ye do am to. Enu nti na America for say ye nji to do into me. Sa kwa de anu na wate enko. Okwa be do to ye be sell to nyina. Because a bono ye bono me Benna boy ni o Benna boy no can be I say for the Grammy me say ye bono pa area say udu doku na adi ni saa enhu obi na wani mre. You see sanya ma wanyina eya fefede ye me catch on kofo a they be at the heights and today they are nobodies. R. Kelly onusu nya the same treatment onusu no ofufa kwala e de nyema hyehyehye kwala ne ho a ene oda jail. Papa ba ku bi Bill Cosby o awunim no usua anti unim no Bill Cosby ko he do say ma yesu na hwe ne comedy ene odam wonusu da yes wonusu ankwala no ne sase shosho ma se rape. Sometimes these people what they follow it demands say wo be yes ah enti me pamcho Ghana for Grammy yen fa nyehwe yen fa African music way sa ai ya boy ani afa sa because Grammy dey ya more to a unya Grammy yen fa boda for this I say kwade I tell you say three music yen fa this because ya bow to ma say yes ya bow to answer ya Grammy e shameful. Are we saying say the blacks cannot get to the height minus sankwa same way? If say a year plots by the whites in a year tom and now say kwasiasema blacks ye bi in year tom no, it's time to learn. Why you young guy don't be in hurry to be famous. God has a plan for you. God has time for you. And ma obi Grammy to go do to wase wo to boys yes be brebo pampers jezi na bo pampers one more nam superstars be brebo pampers anu ti me pa chow obi kase be na me do to na me ma fame kan se fa fame na me fa me to because e to no ye say no HIV e no ne beko I expose GH me say we dey me dey buy we dey foreign ye be fa ne sa o subscribe ya subscribe dey tumpe na sa kama no asi bye bye.